Hey, it's Ken Reed here with SkipperBud's here at the Milwaukee Boat Show to show you the brand new Saxdor 320 GTC. Saxdor is a Finnish boat builder that focuses on building day boats that you can overnight in. This is a 32-foot coupe that offers plenty of room in the aft cockpit area. We've got a nice bench seat here that has flip-flop backs to it so you can be facing aft or forward. Very large cockpit table and beach doors on both port and starboard side. Integrated steps so you can access the foredeck if you wish on both port and starboard side. And then there is storage in the cockpit sill right here. Moving into the cabin area, we have a nice galley right here, 2-burner stove with sink. Dining area here, we have a refrigerator right here on the starboard side. This table folds so you don't have to have it all the way out all the time. And then these 2 seats right here spin so you can be facing aft and being able to converse with your guests. We have a port side jump seat here. All the seats have thigh rises so you can stand and drive or stand and talk and boat, whatever. Really nice opening windows here, so plenty of ventilation, sunroof. And then moving to the helm area, twin Simrad displays that offer all of your engine diagnostics, radar, chart plotter, GPS, and then with the joystick control you get autopilot and skyhook. Moving into the cabin. The boat is designed to sleep 2 people comfortably. As you can see, the accommodations are modest at best. And then we have a small head here. There's an enclosure for that right here, so you do have privacy. And then really nice feature about it is you've got these skylights here, bringing lots of natural light into the boat. And then we will go out to the bow. Accessing the bow of the boat or foredeck, it's important to note that there is a rigid door here that fully encloses the coupe area. So you're totally protected from the elements. And accessing the bow area is very easy. There's a chaise lounge here large enough for 2 people. We have full walk around access to the bow area, and then there's actually a step built in here, so if you're going aft, the hardtop has a ridge in it, so you can use that as a handhold going all the way across the side if you need to. But really, it's just a sleek looking boat. Having driven this boat personally, I can tell you it's one of the most nimble platforms I've ever driven. Just a fun boat to drive. And going back to the coupe area, important to note that there are actually 2 refrigerators. There's one underneath the port side jump seat here, and then the other one over here, which I pointed out earlier. But just a fun boat. There is shades for all of the windows here, so you do have privacy. Distribution panels right there. Going back out to the cockpit here, would like to point out also that the boat is powered by twin 300 horsepower Mercury outboards with joystick control and skyhook. Just a nice boat. And there you have it, the Saxdor 320 GTC. One of the nicest boats I've ever driven in my entire life. For more information on this amazing boat, please call Ken Reed at 414-614-2628. Thanks for watching.